Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily sell digital products on Shopify. So all you have to do is head over to shopify.com and create an account. And Shopify doesn't natively support digital file delivery, so you're going to need to use an app like SendOwl, FetchUp, and Easy Digital Products. And going back to Shopify sellers page, just go to products, then click on add product, or you can simply access it by clicking this add product button. Then next is just add the title, description, and image. Then once done, just set the price and also make sure that you uncheck the this is a physical product box to remove shipping requirements. Then once done, just click on save. And after saving the product, just go to the app that you downloaded earlier. So here's how it's gonna look like if we sell via SendOwl, and in the product section, just look for the more actions, then just click on add digital file. And from here, a window will pop up, and all you have to do is just fill out all the necessary information about your product. Then once done, just click on create product. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!